Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor, and I am coming at you with your July market update. Lots of exciting news to share with you, some very surprising news, and maybe an explanation for why the market is so crazy right now. So before I keep going on, I need everybody to look in the comments and I need you to vote. I have red, white, and blue, and I have green. The layout of these market updates is a little bit different. Vote for me, please. Green or red? Green or red? Which one do you like the best? I really think that my marketing coordinator, Miss Marie, is just fantastic, and so anything she makes for me is lovely. But she's given me two fantastic products I'd like you guys to choose from. Let me know which is easiest to read. Now, very interesting what's happening right now. Sales prices are continuing to increase. Believe it or not, COVID or no COVID, the housing market is continuing to move very quickly and home prices are going up. So in Tarrant County, just as an example, let me just show you. Tarrant County went from $294 last year at this time to $321. That is a $27,000 increase in 12 months. That is quite an increase in Tarrant County. Now, let me just put a disclaimer on that, and that just because you've lived in your house for a year does not mean it's worth $20,000 more than it was last year. But in some areas that growth is really fast, in some areas it's not. So if you're curious about that, let me know. Here are the two, there's so many numbers I want you to listen to. Number of homes for sale. We talked about this a little bit last month. The number of homes for sale right now is 14,000. That sounds like a lot. 14,000 is a lot of houses, and that's in the entire Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So it's not just Arlington or Mansfield. 14,000 is all of what the North Texas MLS encompasses. This time last year, there were 22,000 homes for sale. That's like, I didn't even do the math on a percentage, but I gotta say that's like a 30% decrease in the number of homes for sale. That is a ton of homes that were for sale last year that are not for sale right now. What that means is inventory is super low, and when they get listed, they go very, very, very fast. But the other piece of that is that the actual number of closed sales has increased from 8,600 to almost 10,000. So we've got so many fewer homes for sale, but so many more homes that are actually having closed transactions. So what that tells me is if you list your home and it's at the right price for its condition, it is going to sell and it's going to happen fast. Over the last couple of years, we have seen a steady increase in the number of days on market. We were in a crazy period a few years ago where it was like 15 to 20 days on market, and that was the average, right? We slowly saw that creep up to 30, 45. We kind of were in that average 45. It's starting to creep down again. Tarrant County is only 34 days. Right now. So we're seeing that number start to creep down just a little bit. So homes are selling super fast. Okay. So all that being said, I hope that data is helpful, educational. I hope that you have a chance to vote on which one you like the best. And I hope that you're not bored out of your mind after listening to me talk for now 3 minutes and 58 seconds. So hope everyone's having a great week, and we'll have a great weekend, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Let me know your thoughts. If you have questions, comments, concerns, if there's anything here at the Deeds Group that we can do for you, we would love to help, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks so much.